Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial outlining the functionalities of the WordPress plugin URLab. Today we're exploring AI Content Manager, a module within URLab which can enable you to generate content with AI. The AI Content Manager consists of two submodules. The first one is for manually creating AI content, and the second one is for generating content at scale. First, we're gonna try the manual. So we can go to any post in the web page. I already have a post created in here, so can navigate to post, and you can choose any post that you want, and you can create content for this post seamlessly. So just have to create the prompt. I use the h1 tag as a prompt, but you can choose any prompt that you want, and you can also specify any URL that you want to choose as a reference, so that the AI knows about this URL. So here I chose an external URL, which is a blog about differences between Threads and Meta. And we're gonna try how will this work. So you can simply create the prompt and specify an external URL, any URL, and just generate the text, and you will see the result in here. You can also specify more stuff. You can specify the AI model that can be used and also the language. You can also specify to fix spelling and grammar and also make it longer. Let's take a look at that. So if I choose to make it longer, then it will expand the text, and at the end you can use the text in here, publish, and you can preview the post. Now the second way to generate a AI content is using a shortcode. Shortcodes makes it easier to scale it in multiple web pages of your domain. If you have you can specify just one prompt, and then you can use it in different web pages of your domain, and some things can be identified dynamically. For example, you can use different variables in your prompt to make it dynamic throughout all your web pages. For example, in here we can use, I'm going to use this prompt. So the task is your award-winning customer support specialist. So let's change this to winning social manager blogger. Writing an expert note for website about page title. So this is a dynamic part of the web page, and it takes the page title where the shortcodes is actually input in JSON format, and it will create the JSON format. And also this part is also a dynamic part which takes the language of the web page that you input the shortcode in, and also the language code. I will try to specify a URL filter. So this is a URL that the system tries to get the data from, and then it creates an HTML. So here we say, here we can also specify different types of HTML elements. So I will go with the heading 2 tag saying and here we can specify the JSON value. So JSON value.expert node, it is the same JSON that is in here. So what we exactly do is to prompt the AI model to return a JSON, and we use the JSON response. And right away you will see in the shortcode section of AI content generator that a shortcode is generated. So what you have to do is to just copy paste this shortcode and input it in any post of your own. So I can actually, I already have a post created, so I can embed this shortcode in here. So what I can do is go for shortcode, select the shortcode, paste it in here, and just update. Now, after some time, you will see the results in here. Now, after a few minutes, you will see the results in here. Please note that in the settings, you should activate this text generating scheduling, because this is a paid feature. By default, it's deactivated. But this should be activated in order for the result to be generated. Now, in the results page, you will see the result, and this is the JSON that is created, that is generated by AI. Now, you wouldn't still be able to see this because the status is waiting approval. So you should always approve the status in order for it to be shown in your website. So if you accept it and also accept the second one, then you will see that it's active. And now if I refresh the page in the original article, I will be able to see this here.